Hi guys, here are 13 organic chemistry reactions based on Riemann-Tiemann reaction and reaction of cumene. So let us start to solve them fast. First question. In the Riemann-Tiemann reaction, phenol reacts with chloroform in presence of aqueous NaOH and it mainly forms. Answer is C. Second, which of the following statement is correct about the Riemann-Tiemann reaction? The correct statement is, answer is B. Third, which of the following statement is correct regarding the Riemann-Tiemann reaction? Answer is, the electrophile that is involved in the reaction is dichlorocarbene, so B. Fourth question, which of the following is correct order of reactivity of substituted phenols? So give a hint, it is based on inductive effect. Answer is A. Fifth, which of the following condition is essential for Riemann-Tiemann reaction? You know it is chloroform with aqueous NaOH. So answer is A. What is the major product obtained when metacresol undergoes Riemann-Tiemann reaction? So meta position के हिसाब से answer should be A. Okay? Yes. Next question for cumene reaction. Which is the major byproduct formed along with phenol in cumene process? Byproduct is phenol along with acetone. So answer is B. Second, during acid catalyzed cleavage of cumene hydroperoxide, rearrangement involved in the formation of phenol is? Answer is Hox rearrangement, C. Next question, third, industrial process of cumene for preparation of phenol is mainly because it is forming, it is forming phenol and acetone, a valuable co-product. So answer was B. Question 4. Key intermediate involved in this formation of phenol from cumene is? It is oxidation of phenol. So intermediate was, answer is B, cumene hydroperoxide. Question 5. Cumene process में the oxygen atom present in OH group is originating from. ओके फिनॉल में जो ऑक्सीजन OH ग्रुप है उसका ऑक्सीजन कहाँ से आ रहा है? सो आंसर इज बी, एटमॉस्फेरिक ऑक्सीजन, सिंस इट वाज ऑक्सीडेशन. क्वेश्चन 6. विच सीक्वेंस करेक्टली रिप्रेजेंट्स इंडस्ट्रियल प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिनॉल फ्रॉम क्यूमीन? क्यूमीन ऑन ऑक्सीडेशन फॉर्म्स intermediate cumene hydroperoxide, then it forms phenol and acetone. So answer was B. Which of the following method was used to separate phenol and acetone? Question 7. You know phenol and acetone they are volatile, so those would be easily separated by steam distillation. So answer is A.